welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. And baby, okay, get into it. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you do enjoy the content here, I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button, okay? Period. Okay, so guys, if you have seen the title of this video, then you know I am doing my April saving challenges video, okay baby? Yes, ma'am. So this is my small things in the universe but something precious box. If you've been here since the beginning, this is your girl saving box. So without further ado, let's get into these saving challenges, okay? In April, there was 4 challenges that I was doing, Lord, 4. Child, get into it. Coming from my pockets. I was doing the Make It Rain challenge, and I was doing the April shower saving challenge. Ooh, child. So, let me count up this money first, because I honestly don't know how much money this is. I just put it to the side. That was it. That's all. So, I have 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 560, 70, 80, 96, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 97, 10. So this is $710 currently. Child, that's a whole lot. $710? That's a lot. So $710 so far. 710, right? 715, 720, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that's 750. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I said $750, right? Yep, and $16. What is $766? I bet. Okay, so $766 is how much we are doing for our savings. Okay, that's how much we're putting into savings. So we're gonna start off with the envelope, the 100 envelope challenge. So I had 4 envelopes that I picked from my paycheck one. $77 and $18 is my high and my low for my paycheck one. And for my paycheck 2, $85 was the high, $7 was the low. So we're gonna stuff these cash envelopes, or we're gonna stuff these envelopes. So we're gonna start off with 7. So that's 2 1s and a 5. And like I said, guys, this is the only ooh, child, I don't even have my things. I got my stickers for the back. Ooh, the ghetto. Ma'am, who raised you? Where your stuff at? Ooh, so unprepared. I don't know who raised me. Hold on, y'all, hold on. All right, or stickers, child. It ain't the month of love, but I feel like my heart is throbbing. Okay, so we're gonna use the heart to close up number 7. All right, so we did 7, right? Yes, we sure did. Now is 85. So 85 is a 50, a 20, a 10, and a 5. So this is $85. We're gonna put that in envelope 85. Okay. And she's a star, okay? She's a star, darling. So what are we doing? We are putting a star to close her up. So that is 85. Next we have 77. So that's a 50, a 20, a 5. Child, I was about to take up a 10, and 2 1s. So that is $77. 50, 70, 75, 76, and 77. Bet. All right, and you know what? 77 is 2 of the same number, so what? The circle of life. So we're gonna do it with what? A circle. Bet. 77. Last but not least is envelope 18 of the 100 envelope challenge. Child, fix yourself. So that is a 10, a 5, and 3 ones. Boom. Says $18, as you guys can see, right? So that's cute. So we're gonna put her in. Oh, I got, ooh, shine bright like a diamond. I love how for all of these, like, I have a little song or saying or something. So that is it for the 100 envelope challenge. We're gonna move on to my quarterly challenge. So my quarterly challenge was created. This quarterly challenge is created by Her Courage to Plan, and it is 4 quarters, and then for each quarter you multiply it by whatever quarter you're in. So if you're in quarter 2, whatever numbers are in quarter 2, you're going to multiply that by 2, and then that's how much you're going to be saving. Okay, for me, in paycheck 1, oh, and if you need this or you want this, go on Etsy, Her Courage to Plan. My baby got you. Okay, so for the quality challenge, I got week 17, which was $34. So that was a 20, a 10, and 4 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I also got for week 1, week 36 on the high side, which is $108. That's 100, a 5, and an 8. So 1, 2, 3. What's an 8? I'm in 3 ones, y'all. Child, get it together. So those two combined will be for paycheck 1 of the quarterly challenge for me. So yeah, and you guys know I don't count my saving challenges. Maybe once we 6 months in, so like maybe the end of June, the end of my birthday month, we will count everything up. Okay, my birthday month's lit. Okay, it's my birthday. It's Juneteenth. It's Father's Day. Get into it. All right. So I'm just gonna add this money in, and this is from paycheck 1. Okay, and then from paycheck 2, we had week 11. So that's a 10 and a 1, and we also had week 44, which is $176. That's 100, a 50, a 20, a 5, and 1. So yeah, okay. So that is what I have for paycheck 2 of what I will be putting towards my, what is this? Quarterly challenge. Yes, ma'am. My quarterly challenge. So let's get into it again. So I need to have a saving binder. You know who I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get Wanderlust Diva. Check her out on Etsy. Child, it's the throw out, it's the promotions for me. It's the promo for me. Okay, I'm gonna get Wanderlust Diva's saving cash envelope, because child, she made this one too for free for the Make It Rain challenge in April. Yes, ma'am. And I'm gonna get one of those and start that as my quarterly challenge, girl. Y'all, and she got different ones I can make it for each quarters of the child. Ooh, okay, I'm ready. I got it. I'm good. I got it. All right, so let me put this money in here. Child, what is wrong with me? What's wrong with me? All right. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use Wanderlustin Diva on Etsy. Her cash envelopes, I'm gonna use them as my saving challenge for each quarter. Child, ooh, she got some break your bank account kind of envelopes. Child, ooh. Yes, God. We are here for it. We are all here for supporting, and we are here for it. But child, it's the break in the bank account. Ma'am, spare us. But nah, y'all, go support sis. Go support sis. And go support Her Courage to girl talk. Her Courage to Plan for your saving challenges. So, yep. Now, let's get into the Make It Rain and the April Showers challenge. First, I'm going to start off with the April Shower Saving Challenge. Child, I ain't never been so mad it ain't raining in my damn life. Anyways, so I put an estimate because I didn't know at the time, and this is all real coins. I put an estimate of $100 to April Shower Saving Challenge. And so for me in South Korea, I had 8 days of rain. Child, when I tell you I was so mad, it only rained 5 times, and then the last 3 days it was like, we got you, sis, we got you. So yes ma'am. So I have 8 days of raining, and all of April Saving Challenge was done in $10 bills. So we just gonna use $10 bills to put the coinage in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that is how much we need for the April Shower Saving Challenge. So for me, I know what you guys did, but for me, your girl saved $80 for her April Savings Challenge. Okay, look at that cute little cloud. For my April Savings Challenge, I saved $80 because it rained 8 days in April. And can y'all believe in May, like even right now, it's like raining, like, hello, where was this energy in April? You want to wait until May to now start acting up and raining all the time. Oh, no ma'am, okay? We are literally 10 days in, and let me tell you, it has rained probably like 7 times. It has rained probably like 7 times, and we only 10 days into May. It's the petty for me. But anyways, so that was my April Shower Saving Challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed that challenge, because child, I did. I was looking for the rain. Every drip, drip, or drop, I was looking for it, okay? Was you? Because I was. But that is April Shower Saving Challenge. I will be counting up all of these saving challenges at the end of the year and depositing it into the bank. So if you ain't looking out for me, look out for me, okay? Look out for me. Anyways, last but not least is our Make It Rain challenge. Now, this one was easier because it was an add of 5, though, baby. I can do adding $5, okay? Get into it. So, what I decided was we was gonna start off, okay? We was gonna start it off with, hold up now, child. This money looks a whole lot. We was gonna start off with $30. So it was a 30 for week 1. So $30 for week 1 of the let me use a pen, child. Let me use a marker. So we was gonna do $30 for week 1, which is fine. And then week 2 is $35 because we're supposed to add 5 to our starting amount. So week 2 turned out to be $35. Okay, don't see through. Be cute. What is this money? Y'all, what is this money? Child, I don't know. There's a $50 in there, which I do not know where it came from. I ain't even gonna question it. Bless my Jesus, what you did. We just gonna move on. Okay, I'm gonna add this on week 4. Week 3, we did $40, so that's 2 20s, okay? And then week 4, we did $45. So, in total for this Make It Rain challenge, we saved, child, how much is that? We saved $150. Now, the April challenge, like I said, I had pre-planned $100 for the month, but I only did $80. So I have $20 left from the April Shower Saving Challenge. So your girl will, of course, be adding it to this, period. So that's $20. So we're going to add 20. And then, child, the magical 50 that just popped up, because I don't know where this came from. Okay, seriously, where did this come from? I don't know, but won't the Lord do it? Okay, get into it. Period. Bars. Somebody sign me. So, in total, $40 for week 3. In total for Make It Rain challenge, I saved $220. Okay, and for the last month, that was a total, the last week in Make It Rain came up to a total of $115. Is that right? Hold up. That's a 50, 55, 105. Yes, it is. So $115 is the last amount for week 4. So $220 is what your girl saves for You Better Make It Rain. Okay? Period. Which, she cute. She very cute. Okay? We not bothered. We love her. She cute. So I am going to put this all in order. Okay, get into it. Okay, sis. There you go. Okay, so in Make It Rain, we're gonna put that there. I don't like to put grand totals. I like to count up and be surprised again. Yeah, so when it does, I shouldn't have put nothing on none of these. Child, I should have just told y'all and leave it at that. Cause I like being surprised. You know, when I go back and I go to count them, I like being surprised. So that is it for all of my saving challenges for the month. We have started a new month, continuing to save. I know there was a May challenge, but I wasn't up to date on it too early, too quickly, so I ain't did it, little Bobby. But anybody want to do one for June, count me in, okay? Especially it's my birthday month, count me in. So yeah, so I've done March Madness money, Make It Rain, and April showers. And these little challenges separate from like my regular challenges, I love them. So now I have 3 bars, 3 envelopes. Get into it, and yeah, excited for the rest of them. So looking forward to the new challenges that you guys are coming up with. But anyways, that's it for me. Okay, if you do enjoy the content here on this channel, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Did you thumbs up? Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, and a foe, because what, even your enemies need blessing. My name is Anique and a K. Thank you so much for watching, and get into it, little Bobby. Okay, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk.